One in a Billion Moments in Nature came out 1 day ago. Yeah, I did not watch this one.
Hello everyone. Nature never fails to astound us. We love watching sunsets and lightning, even if we've seen them countless times. Today, we'll reveal some truly rare moments in the natural world, from extraordinary weather phenomena to unexplained.
Makes you happy that you are an introvert who loves to sit in their house, doesn't feel like going out, doesn't feel like you're missing out. All good. Nature, you can do your thing. I'm in my house.
Mysteries which look more like a glitch in the Matrix. Let's get it on. Here's a mud volcano eruption with some added cinematic flair.
Ow! Why is he what is going on? Is that like rain following them? A cloud?
The rain cloud was moving so fast that the cameraman had no chance to take cover.
Yep. Wow. Wow. Witnessing this actually. So cool. Hi
What's a couple of
guys!
SUVs
Nice parking.
to such a powerful element?
Oh my god, the wind. Why do people have to drive a car?
A fire tornado looks several times scarier than a regular tornado.
Oh, no shit, Sherlock. Wow. You see Ghost Rider coming out of that one.
The majesty of these animals is just as astounding.
You mean the ass? Yeah, he was in the way.
Composure.
This was... oh, it sounds a bit low. Sorry, guys. It was just for him because he was in the way. So he just removed him to let him know that who rules the place and they're too close to them. How is he like just standing outside and recording this? I would be in the basement at this moment.
Just one look at this North Atlantic storm video makes you feel refreshed.
Oh my god, and all the packages and stuff inside. Wet cornflakes. Cornflakes. Cornflakes.
In Nepal, a massive avalanche had such force that it literally bulldozed the earth. And you can clearly see the dust cloud it kicked up in its wake.
Oh, it's coming towards them too. Like, they should run, definitely. Yep. I think it's time for you to run. Run. What do you mean you think it's not gonna reach them? It will. At least smoke. Oh my god, the bridge is going, guys! The fence, everything is leaving. Shit.
Australia
See you on
isn't
the other
only home
side.
to intimidating wildlife, there are other intimidating things there too.
Oh, this is this happens a lot of times, right? It's like normal in this area, I think. Massive cloud. It's crazy. It's really cool. It's like a tornado backwards. It looked like the waves are like
No
doing
ship,
this.
no matter how large, can generate
Kobe!
waves as massive as those seen during a typhoon. A massive earthquake for humans, and a normal breather for the Earth.
Oh my god. Yeah, Earth it keeps like shifting and moving. It's normal. Oh my god. Oh my, the whole house is gone. Where are they going? What's
You
going
may have
on?
seen dozens of strange things on your way to work.
I don't understand, like, are these houses like placed on an oily surface or something? How are they just like sliding and the earth is still there? Like, you
But have you ever seen a giant tornado?
trailers. Ah, yeah, true. They're not really like built in on banana peel. True, like that's how it feels. Whoa. I feel like the tornado went up, so they're kind of. Oh, this is terrible. Oh my god! Oh my god!
The
Don't
disaster
walk
movie
here,
The
no.
Day After Tomorrow started with a scene like this.
Oh my god!
But this time, thankfully, it was a false alarm. For better
Yep.
or worse, it's not Iron Man with his collection of suits.
What's that?
Instead, it's a single meteor that's split from the rest of them.
Oh my god. It's a star, make a wish. It's a falling star. Oh my god. Dude, like if you see this and you know that meteor destroyed all the dinosaurs, and you know if a big shit like this hits the earth, we're all doomed. And you're like, did I miss the note that we're dying today? Honestly, this is scary. Because this can happen. Like, if it's big enough and it gets gravitated towards Earth, we are destroyed. These are small, okay? But they still can hit your house and, like, damage is done.
Looks like a wish star. Yeah, what is a wish star?
Here's a rock. This thing.
Ah,
There's
it's
a
like a
little
button. It's like a nipple. Am I the only one who thought about that? Yeah. I guess
How
I'm
is
the
that?
only one.
Like, what is even happening here?
You should press it. Why did you not press it? Wow. That's cool. Lob. Cool. Whoa, this is majestic.
Don't worry if the city sky is overcast. It's probably just thousands of birds looking for a new home.
Whoa. How much poop? Cool.
How are meteorologists supposed to forecast the weather if it acts like this?
30% chance of rain.
Fortunately, there was no one
No one,
on
yeah.
the bus at that
I mean,
moment.
yeah, at this moment, you know that you should leave the bus. Kind of looks, it slowly comes to that situation. This is shitty, man. Caught in this, you're dead. Probably. I mean, maybe you can survive if you end up behind a rock or something hiding, but...
Just when you think this video can't
So
get
beautiful!
any better.
Wow! It's really beautiful.
I came out to enjoy. Oh my god, there's a.
Yep.
Rainbow in the backyard.
This is exactly how I reacted. We were driving the car towards Munich the other day for the Royal Rumble. No, it's called the live WWE event in Munich. And there was a rainbow. and I turn on the TV, the camera, and I'm like, a rainbow! Like, as if I never saw a rainbow in my life. You're gonna see that moment.
I literally found the
Yeah,
end
it's
of
the shirt.
rainbow.
It's mommy.
I
But
found-
because
Mom,
yeah,
I found the end of the rainbow.
I made it tight here. It's a rainbow.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche, los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora.
I don't even want to think what kind of supreme ants they're trying to summon.
Hey, it's Mecca. They're doing the Hajj, brother. They're going in circles around the Mecca, you know? They're Muslim. Like me. Free fish. Oh. Damn. A snack on the way. Two moon.
One moon? Two moons? Okay, who messed up the simulation again?
Honestly.
A tree didn't just split in two during the earthquake. Check out how far apart its halves ended up.
7 metre gitmiş.
What the hell? Imagine that explosion. I wish that was recorded.
Allah Allah.
Like, Eee! I dare you. I dare you to lie down there. I don't know what's the name of the show, but I remember on TV I used to watch a show where like it's like a reality adventure thing where they are in a tower at an old castle and it's teams and they have to go through these type of obstacles. There's even like lions and stuff. I don't know if it's called Fear Factor. Maybe it's Fear Factor, but I watched it when I was a kid, like in the 90s on TV. Like it was so old. And there were some challenges like this where you have to lie down in a snake pit or spiders and stuff. Fear or Fort Boyard? Maybe. I have to check it. I love these shows. I would never though. Jesus, thank you so much for subbing. Bless us, Jesus. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. I got it.
And we really appreciate the video,
Yeah.
pal.
Hey, I got it. Yeah, we appreciate it. That's fun. Oh my god. Whoa. Crazy.
Oh my god. I don't think
It's
you can
fake
see how
grass,
big it is
right?
in the video. That is insane.
It's fake grass. I feel like
Indonesia's volcanic eruption has produced
Not
a
fake, but
towering
like
cloud
the
of
patches that
smoke
people
that you
put
could
on top.
watch for hours.
Oh yeah, this is so beautiful. I would like to see this, but I'm also scared. I need a labella after this video. It's dry. I think I just ate my hair.
A sandstorm is quite a remarkable and
Jesus
awe-inspiring
Christ, these are scary moments. What if it hit you there?
phenomenon.
I have a feeling there is a hair in my mouth. This is huge, guys. Like, these are fields from far. Damn. Whoa, it's coming. That's what she said. Whee! Damn. Imagine seeing this in real life. How big this is, man. How powerful nature can be. We're this tiny, we're this small. A small one in this world. And good smile. Boom, 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 boom. Earth is amazing.
A frozen lake can thaw into a
Wow.
blossoming meadow when
These
the
are called
air is warmer
ice,
than
ice
the water.
flowers, right? I think they have a name. Wow, so beautiful. So beautiful. I've never seen something like this in real life. Maybe I will never see something like this in real life. I would never, ever walk in front of this rock like this. Never. Bruh, one person trolling in the back, just like trying to nudge it, and you're dead. Shit. Anxiety.
Ever seen a rainbow cloud before?
This is cool.
Canada boasts a fantastic location where sweet and salty waters meet.
And then you can see
resulting
like
in
green
truly
and
breathtaking view.
hard dark blue. Hard blue. That's a color. Look, look, look in the middle. It's because like it's different salt levels, right? Oh, we saw this. It's
No
eclipse.
mirrors or magic tricks here. It's the eclipse and the tree's shadow that combine to create this incredible effect.
If I ever see an eclipse live again, I will never look like on towards the sun. Even though with glasses, I would look on the ground because it looks so cooler. So much cooler.
Nature and the brilliant mind behind the drone are the reasons we can enjoy this gorgeous video.
Yeah, this is amazing. But also it's like time lapse. Like in reality, you would not see it this quick. But I would love to see this in real life. Migration? Yeah, I think birds migrating. Imagine a migration like this in Neom, where they are making the wall in Saudi Arabia and all of these birds literally following each other and hitting that wall and dying. You think it's not gonna happen? It will. Hey, it's Batman! It's a chicken bat.
I feel like he's gonna fly right into my face.
Well, yeah,
That'd be a video.
we probably
The
will.
ice shove phenomenon might give you the creeps, but it's oddly satisfying to watch.
It is, but unless your house is caught in the middle. Looks really cool. I just want to lie in it and let it push me slowly.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Sometimes changes in water temperature can
Wow, it's
create
like
near
a
perfect ice
actual-
discs.
Actual circle. Looks like the surface of the moon. Wow, this is so beautiful. So cool, man. I can't believe this is just ice and water. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, they got saved.
This clever puffin is a masterful swimmer, effortlessly blending in with the local
I've
wildlife.
never seen this. What is this? A bird? A fish? A penguin? A puffin? Puffin. A bird. A fish. Never mind. Make up your mind, chat.
It's hard to believe it's not a computer effect, but glowing blue lava actually exists.
Excuse me. This is purple. This is not blue. This is blue. This is purple. This is pink purple. This is purple. This is blue.
This color is caused by sulfur dioxide gas
Purple.
mixing with water vapor.
Whoa, what's that red thing there? That's someone like recording? Dude, this is so cool.
Perhaps one of the
That's green.
brightest and most beautiful natural phenomena.
That's not pink. I heard that some people say that in real life it doesn't look like this. Like it looks so much better on camera. But I don't know. I really want to see this one time in my life. The IRL, I mean. Yeah. Aurora Borealis. You too? Should we all go there and camp and just watch it together? Next to fire and marshmallow. Wow! Foam party! Foam party! Ew, it looks dirty. I don't want to be caught in this. Sounds so bad. It is dirty, yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Mordor! What the hell, man? That's the toilet after KFC, yep. Oh my god. Soup, bruh. Like, then you need to add a bit more water into it. This is burning soup. Yep. That was cool. Nature is cool. And strange. And scary. And weird. And beautiful. Very beautiful.